Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2018-19 SPX by Sea Ray. This is a used boat with 80 hours. The owner took great care of this boat. As you can see, it's really clean. Going into the back of the boat, we have a nice large sun pad. Walk through. Full instrumentation. It has a ski locker underneath. Twin captain's chairs. Both baluster seats. Has a Rockford Fosgate stereo. Plenty of room for storage underneath. Nice big glove box. Plenty of room up front. This boat is rated for 10 people. It does come with a trailer. If you want to see more about this boat, give me a call. My name's Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.